Synology DS923 plus 32 terabytes. The file vault NASA wishes they had. Fast, fierce, and future-proof. Let's talk about the absolute data chaos you're probably living in right now. You're juggling files across external hard drives, random USBs, dusty old PCs, and cloud accounts you barely remember logging into. Stuff gets lost. You spend more time hunting for your files than actually working. Sound familiar? You know your system's broken, but trying to fix it feels like building IKEA furniture blindfolded. Worse, the fear of losing everything, your work, client data, your memories, haunts you like a tech-savvy ghost. And don't get us started on slow, outdated gear choking your workflow. You're not unproductive, you're just trapped by unreliable tools. Now amplify that mess by adding pressure. Deadlines. Clients calling. Collaborators waiting. Your laptop stutters, your external drive is full again, your cloud app just froze mid-transfer, and suddenly you're spiraling. That panic? It's real. Every delay is a missed opportunity. Every second you waste is one your competition is using to get ahead. You deserve more than duct tape solutions. You deserve real control, speed, and security. Let's be honest, burnout from bad tech is very real, and if your storage setup makes you dread logging in, it's officially time for an upgrade that actually works for you. Enter the Synology DS923 plus 32 terabytes NAS, your new digital HQ, your productivity powerhouse, your ride-or-die storage solution. With 4 bays filled with 8 terabyte Seagate Iron Wolf drives and powered by AMD Ryzen muscle, this NAS doesn't flinch. Stream 4K, back up your entire studio, collaborate across continents, and manage your security cams simultaneously. Up to 625 megabytes per second read and write? Oh yeah! Add NVMe SSDs, scale to 9 bays, plug into 10 gigabit Ethernet. It's not just expandable, it evolves. This isn't your dad's dusty server box, it's a sleek beast built for creators, small businesses, and digital hustlers who are done playing small. The benefits? Too many to count, but let's try. You'll get streamlined workflows, lightning-fast access, rock-solid backup, and centralized everything: photos, docs, videos, surveillance footage. No more file chaos, no more crashes, no more excuses. Plus, the DSM operating system makes managing it all shockingly easy, even if you're not exactly a tech wizard. This isn't just about storage, it's about mental clarity, control, and leveling the hell up. Ready to see what your life looks like without digital stress? Scroll down, check the specs, and peek at the reviews. Your future self is already saying finally. Don't sleep on this one. Inventory moves fast and Synology users don't play around. Thousands have already made the switch: creatives, IT pros, entrepreneurs, you name it. The Synology DS923 Plus isn't just a smart choice, it's the move if you're serious about your data, your work, and your sanity. With a 3-year, extendable warranty, Iron Wolf drives trusted globally, and a sleek, scalable system that's built to grow with you, there's literally no downside. So stop risking your files and your peace of mind. Click that link, grab your DS923 Plus bundle, and take the reins back, because someday is just geek speak for never.